Actually getting ready to go shoot some more content with the boys up in the mountains in Samoa. Why don't I show you guys what I actually take with me to shoot the content so I can actually bring the content up to you guys. This here is my greatest investment. It has kept my gear safe all over the world. I've traveled everywhere with it. I've been to Vietnam, Japan, Indonesia with this. This is my Low Pro hard case backpack. As you can see, I put it through the ringer here in Samoa. It's very dirty, so I do need to wash it. It does fit everything that I have. What I have attached to it is my raincoat. This is also a must, especially if you travel like I travel. It also adds extra support, especially if I'm filming in the rain, which I've done. This is my main camera, which is my Lumix GH5. All the shots that I shoot, especially my cinematic shots, my B-roll shots, I shoot with my Lumix GH5. But the lens that I use for my GH5 mainly is my 25mm. This is because it is small and compact, very easy to carry around with me. This is my GoPro. I love shooting with the GoPro because it's very convenient to pull out. I also have this little hook, so if I'm climbing, for example, I can just whip it out quickly and shoot. If I want a quick shot of tail, for example, shooting a prawn, crossing a creek, this is what I use. This is my DJI Action 2. Before the GoPro, it was this one. Now it's used as a spare camera if my GoPro, my Lumix run out of battery. This is my pocket. This is actually my first ever camera. This is what initially got me into vlogging. It's now mostly used as a spare camera if my Lumix or GoPro run out of battery. Meta glasses. These are really cool. I used it recently to shoot Ken when he was climbing the coconut tree. That was a really cool shot. All the drone footage that you guys see is shot through this one. DJI Air 2S. It is perfect for what I need it for. I've got 3 batteries for my drone and I've got 2 spare batteries. This is a must. 1 spare battery, unfortunately, for my Lumix GH5. I had 2 other spare batteries that broke, so I do need to get more spare batteries for these. This has been a headache for me, especially going into the jungle. I've only got 2 batteries to use while I'm in Samoa, so I definitely need to get another 2. You can never have enough storage. I'm running out of storage all the time. So I've got 1, 2, 3 external hard drives that I bring over to Samoa, and I've got another 2 in Australia. I'm running out of storage, so I need to buy more of these, but these are very important. All the content I have, all the videos that I shoot, they live in here. Portable chargers, a must if you go into the bush. So this is my main phone that I use for communicating. This is the phone that I only use to fly my drone. Sound is just as important as the image that you are shooting. So this microphone is very important. This is wind cancelling. So if you want to reshoot a video and there's too much wind, especially up in the mountains, it's always windy, you must have one of these. All the shooting, all the editing, all the sound engineering, everything to do with my content, I do myself. I do everything alone. I shoot alone, I edit alone. So sometimes I'm sitting in front of the computer if I'm editing for a full day. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you now get to see a little bit of what goes on in the background, behind the scenes of the Travelling Polynesian. Of Thai. Bye.